Picking go just fine like this. Hi guys, my name is Mary Jacob and welcome to another video. I want to use this opportunity to thank those who watched my first ever video uploaded on YouTube. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a outfit video and I got these pieces from Boohoo. It's an autumn vibe look, what you can wear for this cold weather. Winter is coming, guys. Winter is coming, so you have to dress a little bit warm and in between sexy, if you know what I mean. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. So I will be open what I got so that you guys can see it before I put it on. The holidays, we are on the holiday season, guys. So let's see. So this is the jacket. So and this should be a jumpsuit that I'm going to pair with the jacket. Then I will be right back. So guys, I've changed the outfit. This is the jumpsuit I got, so I'll go backwards so that you guys can see the complete outfit and how I style it. So this jumpsuit is so sexy, guys. I love how it sits perfectly on my body. It is perfect. And notice the jumpsuit is a little bit transparent, so be careful if you want to purchase the jumpsuit from Boohoo. This jumpsuit has a slide on the ankle part on this jumpsuit. I love it. You can pair the jumpsuit with a boot or a heel. Me as a person, I'm a sneaker girl. That is why I pair mine with a sneaker. Guys, this jacket, oh my god, don't start with me with this jacket. This jacket has been going on around on social media, especially on Instagram. If you don't have this jacket in your collection, guys, I don't know what you are waiting for. You are missing, guys. I'm just adjusting the jacket to fit, to see how it sits well on my body. This jacket, you can wear it in this autumn, especially this winter that is coming. It is very warm. Me wearing this jacket inside my house, I'm feeling hot. The heat is telling on me, guys. I'm just adjusting my outfit to see how it sits, how it looks, guys. I'm flipping my head backward, adjusting myself. I pair this outfit with my LV bag, guys. When you're on a budget and you have any expensive luxurious bag, you can pair it with an outfit that is cheap so that it will look expensive. That does not necessarily mean that you must have an expensive bag. You can rock any bag you have and you will still look expensive. Guys, this is this finished look. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a video. Please come back for more to watch more of me, and thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys. Bye. To my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I achieve this makeup glam look, stay tuned and watch, and see you guys my next video.